Hi everyone and welcome to lesson 40. Please learn 30 words and answer my questions. Block. Have you ever had a mental block while trying to solve a problem? How did you overcome it? Customs. Customs officer. Do you think customs checks are necessary or could they be more relaxed? Fast, fasting. Have you ever tried fasting for health or religious reasons? How was the experience? Literature, literary. What's your favorite piece of literature? And why do you like it? Result. What's a result you're particularly proud of achieving? Sorry. Do you find it easy or difficult to say sorry when you've made a mistake? Town. What do you like most about the town you live in? Wash. Wash up. Washer. How often do you wash up after meals and do you enjoy it? Fat. Low fat. Do you pay attention to whether your food is low fat or do you not worry about it? Especially. Is there a time of year you especially look forward to? And why? Play. What was the last game you played and did you enjoy it? Moment. Can you think of a moment that changed your life? Off. Do you prefer to keep your phone on or off during important meetings? State. Which state of mind helps you be the most productive? Have you ever traveled to another state or region, and what was it like? License. Do you think getting a driver's license is easier or harder today than in the past? Avoid. Is there anything you try to avoid because it makes you uncomfortable? Method. What method do you use to stay organized in your daily life? Ourselves. How can we challenge ourselves to achieve our goals? Way. What's the best way to start your day off on the right foot? Vision. How important do you think having a clear vision is for achieving success? Luck. Do you believe in luck or do you think we make our own luck? Initial. Initially. What were your initial thoughts when you started learning English? Husband. How do you think a good husband should support his partner? Guest. Have you ever been a guest at a special event? What was it like? Drive, drove, driven. When was the first time you drove a car and how did it feel? Currency. How often do you need to exchange currency when traveling? Blue. Do you have a favorite blue object or a piece of clothing? Cancel. How do you usually react when an event you are looking forward to gets cancelled? Mail. How often do you send mail and what kind of mail do you usually send? Whenever or anytime. What's something you could do anytime and it would always make you happy? That's all for today. Thank you for being with me and see you next time. Bye bye.